Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn switch function. So before starting, I just wanted to ask you how many of you heard about switch function and who has actually used switch function instead of if. So you can just comment below and you can let me know how efficient switch function is. So without delay, let's start. Here I have prepared a data in that we have student scores. And here we have generated performance rating using if formula. So I have already done that. You can see here the if statement. So here you can see for every condition, we have to use if function. So this is a nested if function and this is a bit complex. So here in the below table, we will perform the similar functionality using switch function. So let's do that. Here I will write the formula starting with equals. We'll write here switch. Now you can see here it is asking for first expression. So what we have to check here, we need to check grade. Okay, so I will pass the grade comma value 1. So you can see here I have given the matrix as per the grade. What would be the performance rating? So accordingly we will pass that. Now if it is grade A, simply we have to give comma and then we'll pass the value, that is excellent, comma the second value is B. So for B the rating is very good. Third one is C, comma the rating would be good. Fourth D and rating would be average. Fifth one is E and its rating would be poor. Sixth value is F and rating is bad. Now here we need to pass a default value as well. So for default we will pass not rated. Close the bracket, hit that. Now simply select the cell, click here in the plus and simply drag it. So you can see the same result has been generated using switch formula. So I think this is quite simple. So we will go through the second example. So here I have created a table, that is employee sales table. Okay. And here we have the commission as per the reason and they have certain benchmark. So in this we will use switch function. Okay. And also to match the benchmark we will be using if. So let's see how to do that. Here we will write the formula is equal to if. So first we will check the benchmark. Okay. So for the benchmark we will use total sales value. If it is greater than this one, here all the benchmarks are same. So we will fix that value. So by pressing F4 we will fix it, comma if this value is true, then we will multiply total sales into the commission percent. So how we will find the commission percent? As per the reason, here we will use switch function. So in the switch function we will check the reason. So I have selected D2, this is the reason column. So I have selected D2, comma value 1. So suppose if it is east, then what would be the percentage of commission? So here it is 5%. So simply we will select this cell, or if you don't want to provide the reference, so you can directly pass the percentage here as well. So here I will be using the reference. Okay. So I will just click this cell, will press F4 to fix this, comma the second value would be west, and for this the commission percentage is this one, J3 value. We'll press F4 to fix this, comma third value would be north. For north region percentage is 4, we'll fix this, comma next value is south. For south the percentage is 8. So we will provide this cell reference, we'll fix it by pressing F4, comma the final value is central, and for this the percentage is this one, 10%. We'll fix this cell. If we increase the data, sometimes we miss the value if we are not providing the data, or maybe other data we are providing, other reasons. Okay. In that case, we don't have any value here. So maybe you can give a default percentage here, or you can just simply pass 0 if you don't want to give any other value there. Okay. So this would be the default value. We'll close the bracket. So here the switch statement is closed now. Then again, comma. Now we came back to if statement. So here if C2 is not greater than the benchmark value 5000, in that case what would be the result? So here we will provide the result, that is no commission. We'll close the if statement, simply press enter. So you can see here in the east the total sales is $31,603 and the commission is 5%. So this is the 5%. Simply we will select the cell and we will drag this. So here you can see commission for all the sales person has been calculated. So you can use different scenario and you can use switch function. You can make some complex calculation here as well. Okay. Also I have given this Excel sheet in the description, so you can simply download this file. And if you want to practice during this video, you can practice along with me. And if this video is informative for you, so you can like this video, you can share, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can hit the bell icon for more upcoming Excel tips and tricks videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.